The easiest way to buy and sell Bitcoin, folks. This is what we're talking about today. In today's video, I'm going to show you one app that you can buy and sell Bitcoin instantly. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog that you can check out as well if this method is not for you. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's the top link in the video description below. And I'm going to give you a $5 opportunity here. If you download this app, you're going to get $5, and I'm going to get $5 when you use my code for the app I'm about to show you for the Bitcoin thing. Anyways, let's check it out. Let's get right into it. Okay, so you just open the app. You have a screen like so. Now, I only have a balance of $6 in here, but I'm going to go to the Bitcoin screen. And you can purchase up to $10,000 with this app, but in increments of $5. I'm only going to do 5. So there we go. I just hit the buy button, do my Touch ID on my iPhone, get a confirmation screen like so, and bam. There we go. Hit confirm. And I just purchased 0.00052 whatever Bitcoin. And there is an exchange rate fee of 3.71%. And so I got $4.94 of Bitcoin in dollar value, that is. And then the selling the same way, you just hit the sell button. And I'm going to sell all of it back to the app at $4.87. Hit my Touch ID again. And bam, you're all good to go. And like I said, there is a little exchange rate for buying the Bitcoin, but that's normal exchange rate kind of stuff. And I just sold it right back. It took no time at all. So the app is called Cash App. You may already have it. It's a really cool app, not just for Bitcoin, but you can also get a debit card and send cash back between friends and stuff like that, and all kinds of things. If you don't have it yet, use my code below or use the link below, and we'll each get $5 right away with my promo code. I'll pop it on the screen here as well. There you go. Or you can just use it, look up in the link to the description, and use that code, and you're getting a free $5 when you sign up for the app. Again, it's a really cool app. You can get a debit card as well with this app and get different perks like $1 off coffee at every coffee shop you go to. There's ones for AMC theater perks and stuff like that. I think it's 3% off or $3 off. All kind of stuff like that. The app has 4.6 on the Apple iStore out of 4 stars, and a 4.0 on the Google Play Store. So it's a really cool app. I already made some videos about it before, but again, it's really one of the easiest ways to exchange Bitcoin. And that is all for now. Subscribe to the channel. Check out my #1 recommendation for making money online as well. It's the top link in the video description below. And I will talk to you soon.